So creating content. The number one mistake that people make when they decide to start doing content marketing, hey, welcome, come on in, all right, is that they try to do everything all at once, everywhere, all the time. That's gonna lead to burnout. That's the number one thing that leads to burnout. You do not need to be, and I'm gonna show you the best way, if you are able and have the full-time capacity to be everywhere all the time, all at once. I'll show you how to do it the best way possible. But you want to start with one or two platforms you know, and then one that you're interested in. For me, this was Facebook and Twitter, and then it was TikTok. All right, TikTok was the one I was interested in. But if you're on a bunch of platforms that you don't understand, that you don't know how to interact with there differently on Instagram versus Twitter, which are very different atmospheres, all right, you're gonna make bad content. You're going to be juggling too many, and instead of growing a couple of, think about it like trying to farm when you only got one shovel. Okay, you've got one shovel, you can't run a farm, you can run 1 to 3 flower beds. All right, so don't spread yourself too thin when creating content and choosing platforms. Number 2.